Welcome to the 10-minute collage challenge. This challenge is hosted by Steph. Her channel is called Woolly Steph, and there's a link to it in my video description box. This is an open challenge, so if you want to join in, the hashtag is 10, the number 10 minute collage, and it's a fortnightly challenge, so on the 8th and the 14th of every month you do your collage. So you have a time limit of 10 minutes. And this challenge is going to help you to become better at collaging because you haven't got the time to ponder, let's say. You'll just get in and get your collage done in the 10 minutes. I hope you will join in and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get on with the collage. Alrighty, I've got my little book that I made, and if you're wondering how you can make a quick book to do something like this in the top right hand corner there's a link to the video where I show you how easy it is. It'll probably take less than half an hour to make a book. Okay, so what I want to do is take out my signature and work on it out of the book, and I had originally thought I'd format my book this way, and then when I took out the signature to do my first collage I did it the wrong way up, didn't I? I did it this way. So today we rectify the problem and we do it this way. Okay, so something that I'm doing with my for myself during this challenge is I'm using Daphne's diary images only. So nothing else, just Daphne's diaries. So I've got one that I've been pulling bits out of for a while, so I'm going to use that one. Now I need to start my timer. Alrighty, 10 minutes on the clock. I think I'm going to go blue this week. So I've got some nice blue things here. I'm not going to do the top. I'm going to leave that as it is. Ooh, it's pretty. So many lovely images in these magazines. So would that make a nice focal point? Okay, so I'm going to start there. I have about 15 of these magazines, so 2023 is the year for me to use up my stuff, and I'm not buying anything else. I want to use what I've got because my room is just so full, it's ridiculous. I want to get rid of some of it. Not, you know, not get rid of it, but use it. Put it to use. I think when you have a time limit, you just have to make decisions in a hurry. You don't have the option of sitting there thinking about it. It's just get on with it, isn't it? It's such good training for you. I know when I first started doing Marguerite Miller challenges, it used to take me hours to do them. The collages, and now I can do the whole thing probably in about half an hour. It's much more enjoyable. Like that phrase, the house that will steal your heart. I'm thinking that can be This flower will be my focal point. I'm just going to tear it out. And I'll put some of this around. Just straighten that out a bit. A little bit. I think I'm going to put that in there somewhere. Probably won't be able to read it. It'll get covered over, I think. What have I got? I need a little bit of something there. Oh, no, I don't. I've got a patch there and I've got a patch there. So, got 5 minutes left. That went fast. Surprisingly fast. I don't have any concerns about not finishing on time though. This is only a very small book too, so it's only 6x4, so it doesn't take long to fill it all in. So let's pop. I don't know that it stands out enough really. Okay, so we're going to put that in, and I might get oops, something and put a little bit of colour on those flowers. Just going to tear them out a bit more and put them more towards the centre of the page. Four minutes left to go. Okay, so I've got a nice crisp finished flower there. And which way should I put it? I think that's the way it goes. The way it needs to go. Okay, so I'm going to glue that down. And I did think about colouring it in, but now I think what I'll do is just get my Stabilo All pencil. That's the one. And I'm just going to go around the edge of it. Got 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Okay, Now, just want a little bit of water. I should have used a paintbrush to do this, but I don't know where they are. I tied it up on the weekend. So, using my finger brush. Okay, I sort of feel like it just needs something else. What can I put on there? Don't know about the bird. Quickly see if I can find something. Got less than a minute left to go. I might not be able to. Oh no, I'm not going to use them. I want them for something else. Okay. A little bird. Pop it down in the corner. 15 seconds. There we are. Well, I think that turned out okay. What do you think? Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Dismiss. And there's a lovely little collage. So just using, well really it was only one page out of Daphne's diary, except for where that little bird came from. So how easy was that? And you know, I wouldn't have been able to do that 12 months ago, not in 10 minutes. I wouldn't have been able to do it. So, did I write the date? It was the 24th of the 4th when I did the last one. So I joined in a little bit late. Today is the 8th of the 5th. 8/5/2023. Okay. Let's put that back in the book. So check out the hashtag 10-minute challenge. That's the number 10. See what everybody else is doing. There's a link to Steph's channel in my video description box. So you can go along there and have a look. She's got a video that explains how the challenge works. And so I've now got 2 in my little book. So that was the one I did last week, or last fortnight, and that's this week's, or this fortnight's I should say. Alrighty. That's it. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll say cheers from Australia. Hooroo!